With our background in the furniture industry, this seating area is incredibly important to us. One thing we've done is to make this cushion movable. When traveling, it sits on the upper part of the sofa, and when parked you can place it here. That way, you get a corner sofa with a function where you can rest your arm like on an armrest. I'm actually sitting in a relatively small motorhome, but I have a large seating area. In terms of dimensions, it's really like a sofa in your home. You have a deep seating well and an armrest where you can truly rest your arm. It may be a small detail, but for us, this is really important. We also replaced the front seats from the original ones, slightly wider and with sturdier armrests. You sit comfortably both when you've arrived and when you're driving the vehicle. It's also a different base where the cabling installation is more neatly concealed, and we add extra insulation under the seat base. Because what people often forget is that the standard seat base on a Mercedes is one of the reasons a lot of cold air gets in. So here we choose to double insulate the seat base with an additional shell that conceals the insulation. We raise the floor between the sofa and the driver and passenger seats to ensure good seating comfort. Otherwise, when you swivel these seats, the height from the floor to the seat becomes too high. So here we've chosen to raise the floor by 10 centimeters, making a comfortable seating position for the driver, the passenger, and on the sofa.